Hello, I'm Professor Andreas Hornung. I'm working at Aston University in Birmingham, UK. At Aston University, we are dealing since several years with the pyrolysis of biomass. And one new invention is that we found that in staging pyrolysis, that means in heating up biomass step by step in several reactors, we can reduce the tar formation tendency on pyrolysis liquids. This is an example of a high tarry pyrolysis liquid. You see in the middle there is a jelly pasty material, which you see how it is now sticking to the walls. And this is a material to be prevented. So how is it working? You take any type of pyrolysis reactor. That's the point. It can be a fluidized bed. It can be any type of fast or intermediate pyrolysis reactor. So for example, screw-driven or not. And you stage it in 3 or 4 stages. This is not to produce different liquids. It's just to improve the quality of the total liquid realized. And why is it working? It is working because the lower the gradients at the heat source where the pyrolysis is taking place is, the better is the quality of gases, because you are really scissioning bonds and are not driving the biomass into defragmentation. Defragmentation is like a small explosion where any type of molecule exists, and this means also large molecules are evolved from the material. Coming, for example, from room temperature, this would mean that first of all you go for 200 degrees C, where the material is just dried and torrefacted, and then going for 300, 400 degrees C, where you can already have a quite nice pyrolysis, or even up to 500. So just 100 degrees C temperature steps, which are significant but not too high to reach the final temperature. Altogether, it can be embedded in a recirculation, for example, of heat carriers, that you have a very efficient way to bring a higher heat level to a lower heat level and to recirculate, for example, metal balls or stainless steel shot, just to get the heat from the high level into the low level. But these are just technical solutions, and the principle is that in having this fractionated pyrolysis by different reactors, you just optimize the quality and the amount of the value fraction in the pyrolytic liquids.